Sri Ramakrishna now addressed Mohimacharan, who was a householder. Master, what need is there of renouncing the world altogether? It is enough if you can rid yourself of attachment. But you must have sadhana. You have to fight the sense organs. It is a great advantage to fight from inside a fort. You get much help from the fort. The world is a place for enjoyment. After enjoying different things, you should give them up one by one. Once, I had a desire to put on a gold chain around my waist. I obtained one at last and put it on, but I had to take it off immediately. Once I ate some onion. Footnote: the onion is considered a rajasic food and not conducive to spiritual life. Footnote ends. While eating it, I discriminated. O mind, this is onion. Then I moved it to different places in my mouth and at last spat it out. A musician was expected. He was to sing with his party. Sri Ramakrishna asked the devotees every now and then, "Where is the musician?" Mohima: we are quite all right as we are. Master: no, sir. You get this all through the year. A devotee outside the room said, "The musician has come." Sri Ramakrishna was filled with joy and said, "Ah, has he?" Mats were spread on the floor of the long veranda northeast of the master's room. Sri Ramakrishna said, "Sprinkle a little Ganges water on the mats. Many worldly people have sat on them." The ladies of Pyari Babu's family from Bali had come to visit the temples. They wanted to listen to the kirtan. A devotee said to Sri Ramakrishna, "These ladies have been inquiring whether there would be any place in the room for them. Can they have seats?" The kirtan had already begun. The master said, No, where is any room here?" Narayan arrived and saluted Sri Ramakrishna. The latter said tenderly, "Why have you come? Your people at home have beaten you so much." He signed to Baburam to give Narayan something to eat. Narayan entered the master's room. Suddenly, Sri Ramakrishna followed him. He wanted to feed Narayan with his own hands. Afterwards, he returned to the veranda. Many devotees were present, including Bijoy, Mohimacharun, Narayan, M, and the younger Gopal. Soon, Narayan came back to the veranda and took his seat by the master. About 3 o'clock, Adhur arrived. At the sight of him, Sri Ramakrishna appeared excited. The devotee saluted the master and sat on the floor. Sri Ramakrishna beckoned to him to come nearer. When the music was over, the gathering of devotees broke up. Some began to stroll in the garden, and some went to the temples to watch the evening service. In the evening, arrangements were made for kirtan inside the master's room. Sri Ramakrishna eagerly asked a devotee to have an extra lamp. The 2 lamps lit the room brightly. Sri Ramakrishna said to Bijoy, "Why are you sitting there? Come nearer to me." This time, the kirtan created an intense atmosphere. The master danced in an ecstasy of joy. The devotees also danced encircling him. While Bijoy was dancing, his cloth dropped. He was unconscious. When the music was over, Bijoy began to look for his key, which had fallen somewhere. The master said to him with a laugh, "Why bother about it any more?" He meant that Bijoy should have nothing more to do with boxes and keys.